Robert Kiyosaki's investing tip number 9: network with like-minded individuals. Concept: networking with like-minded individuals involves building relationships with people who share similar goals, interests, and values, particularly in the context of financial and investment objectives. This can include peers, mentors, industry professionals, and potential business partners. Collaborative growth: engaging with a network of like-minded individuals fosters a collaborative environment where knowledge, resources, and opportunities can be shared, enhancing personal and professional growth. Support system: a strong network provides a support system that offers advice, encouragement, and motivation, helping you stay focused and committed to your goals. Benefits of networking with like-minded individuals. Knowledge sharing: networking allows for the exchange of ideas, experiences, and insights, broadening your understanding of various investment strategies and financial practices. Opportunities: connections can lead to new investment opportunities, partnerships, and business ventures that you might not have discovered on your own. Mentorship and guidance: experienced individuals in your network can offer mentorship and guidance, helping you navigate challenges and make informed decisions. Accountability: being part of a network creates a sense of accountability. Regular interactions with peers can help you stay disciplined and focused on your financial goals. Inspiration and motivation: interacting with successful and driven individuals can inspire and motivate you to strive for higher achievements and overcome obstacles. Resource access: a well-connected network can provide access to valuable resources such as information, tools, and contacts that can aid in your financial and investment endeavors. Strategies for effective networking: attend industry events. Participate in conferences, seminars, workshops, and networking events related to your interests and goals. These events are excellent opportunities to meet like-minded individuals. Join professional associations. Become a member of professional organizations and associations that align with your field or investment interests. These groups often host events and provide resources for networking. Engage on social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and specialized online forums to connect with professionals and enthusiasts in your area of interest. Participate in local meetups. Join local meetup groups and clubs focused on investing, entrepreneurship, or specific industries to connect with individuals in your community. Leverage alumni networks. Utilize your alumni networks from schools or previous workplaces to reconnect with former classmates and colleagues who share your interests. Create a mastermind group. Form or join a mastermind group, a small, focused group of individuals who meet regularly to discuss goals, challenges, and strategies, providing mutual support and accountability. Volunteer and give back. Volunteer your time and expertise to causes and organizations related to your interests. This not only helps others but also expands your network. Be authentic and engaging. Approach networking with authenticity and genuine interest in others. Engage in meaningful conversations, listen actively, and offer your own insights and assistance. Follow up and maintain relationships. Regularly follow up with contacts to maintain and strengthen relationships. Keep in touch through emails, social media, or occasional meetups. Examples of networking for financial and investment success. Investment clubs. Joining or forming an investment club where members pool resources, share investment ideas, and make collective investment decisions. Real estate meetups. Participating in local real estate meetups to connect with other investors, share market insights, and discover new property opportunities. Online communities. Engaging in online communities and forums focused on specific investment strategies such as stock trading, cryptocurrency, or angel investing. Business networking groups. Joining business networking groups like BNI, Business Network International, to connect with entrepreneurs and professionals across various industries. Professional conferences. Attending industry-specific conferences and trade shows to learn from experts, network with peers, and explore new trends and opportunities. Mentorship programs. Participating in mentorship programs where experienced investors or professionals provide guidance and support to those new to the field. Challenges and considerations. Building genuine relationships. Networking should focus on building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships rather than simply seeking personal gain. Time commitment. Effective networking requires time and effort to attend events, engage in conversations, and maintain relationships. Overcoming shyness. Introverted individuals may find networking challenging. Developing confidence and communication skills is essential. Quality over quantity. Focus on the quality of connections rather than the quantity. A few strong, meaningful relationships are more valuable than a large number of superficial ones. Reciprocity. Networking is a two-way street. Be willing to offer help, share knowledge, and provide value to others in your network. Conclusion. Networking with like-minded individuals is a powerful strategy in Robert Kiyosaki's investment philosophy. By building relationships with people who share similar goals and interests, you can benefit from knowledge sharing, new opportunities, mentorship, and a supportive community. Effective networking requires authenticity, engagement, and a willingness to give and receive value. Despite the challenges of time commitment and building genuine relationships, the benefits of expanded opportunities, inspiration, and mutual support make networking an essential component of achieving financial success and personal growth. Click the link below for more investing tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.